How to change line theme. In this video, I'll show you how to change your line theme so you can customize your app with your favorite colors, characters or seasonal designs. Let's get started. First, launch the line app on your phone and tap on this home tab right here. Tap on it. Now tap the gear icon in the top right corner to open settings. Tap on it. Here, scroll down and tap on themes right here. Tap on it. Now you can see My Themes. Tap on My Themes to see all the themes you have already downloaded or purchased. Choose the theme you want to use and tap Apply. Okay, you can also go to Theme Shop right here and choose the themes from here. First download it. Let me download it first. This is the free one. Let me download this one. Tap on it and tap on download right here. Wait for a few minutes. You can just choose later. Okay, now you can see apply this theme only. Tap on apply this theme only. And that's it, your theme has been applied. Your line app now has a fresh customized look and you can switch things anytime to match your mood or season. Let's go back. As you can see, your theme has been changed instantly. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.